I am Chanel Matthews, your host, and this is Unfiltered. Jamaica has a low voter turnout. What do you think is the source of this problem?
Yeah, so far the public get confused of the whole moral values of how the system conduct within the two party, and they all get fed up. That's why the reason why you have the low voter turnout.
The statistics based on my knowledge as it relates to persons being educated on how to vote, why to vote, or even where to vote, the marketing on that could have been improved on our politicians' part. I would definitely say if that improved, then public education and public knowledge on voting can be improved, and that would definitely, in my opinion, influence the numbers or influence persons to turn out to vote.
The source of the problem in Jamaica is education. Civics has been taken out of the schools, and so when you speak about the history of Jamaica in regards to voting and what our forefathers did, who died, our national hero who died as a result of getting us Jamaicans to vote, there is no sentiments attached anymore because we do not have that kind of knowledge, and it has not been passed to the younger generation, and because of this they have no interest whatsoever.
The low voter turnout is because they're not interested in what's going on. They're no longer interested in politics, where politics refers to what is going on in our country, how best it can enable us to get better access to things, resources that we need. So I think what needs to be done is the youths that don't know why they have to vote should be educated to tell them that it's not about gang violence or political affiliation. It's about the stuff that the country needs to vote, whether the road gets fixed, whether a new policy is put in place. They don't understand that it can better the country.
Most of the people must sell them vote. Them say them not get them from politicians. That's why they don't want to vote. But me vote still. Me vote because me from me little bit, I see my mother and father and granny them a vote. But me vote, but most people sell them vote. They must say them not get them from politicians, so they're not interested for vote. But me vote.